Okay, this query is going to show you how to generate a management query based on the number of the total quantity sold for a particular item. So what I'm going to do here is just going to call this field total quantity sold. And what that's going to do is that's going to look at the quantity sold field. And it's going to add up all the quantity sold. I run that. And I change that to sum. That's just going to add up all the quantity sold. So it's not going to group it by the individual item. It just says there's 153 items have been sold. Now what I want to do is I want to group that by the actual products themselves. So I look at that now and change that, sort that into descending order. It will tell me how many of each item I have sold. Again, I can introduce a date field here, and I can specify, well, a date range. So if I want to find out the number of items sold in 2012, I can allow the user to enter a particular date range. So I'm going to put enter start date and enter end date. And that will allow the user to find out the total quantity sold for a particular item within a particular date range. So if I run that, let's say 2012, and I'm assuming that all the sales have taken place during 2012, otherwise this query is not going to show anything. Yep. So you'll see most of the sales are in October. So there was a few there in September, so I'll just run that again, and this time I'll just do the 1st of the 9th, 2012, and 30th of the 9th, 2012. So there's a total quantity sold for these three items within the month of September. So that shows you how powerful that one simple formula can be with the date range, and you can just adapt it then. Say I don't know, to find out the most popular product, but I wanted to find out the most popular customer, or who my best customer was. So I bring the customer table in, and I would again run the query, keep the date range, the date selector in there. So that would allow me to see who my best customer was in the first 9 months of the year. So say 30th of the 9th, 2012. So you see that this is where I haven't got his surname in there. I'm going to put surname in. 1st of the 9th, 2012, 31st of the 9th, 2012. Oh, I must have entered those details incorrectly. 1st of the 9th, 2012, 30th of the 9th, 2012. Okay, so Sir David Peckham. Interesting choice of surname, but you'll see that it's showing the total quantity sold. Obviously David has had 3 items shown there. On your report you could group it so that it will only show the total number of items that David has purchased in the month of September, and again you would use the report footer to show this. So I take out the customer table and take out sale. I can bring in the staff table, and I can show the total quantity sold by a particular staff member, and this is your top performing salesperson. So you see that Siobhan Conway has sold 101 items, Dave Selfridge has sold 32, Jeff Booth has sold 20. So that query then shows the number of items sold, and again you can group it by information from different tables.